Welcome back to another one of Big Macca's Wildlife Lessons. Today we've found a bowerbird's bower. So it's the western bowerbird. It's a small brown speckly bird and it's got a pink patch on the back of its neck. It's the male bowerbird that builds the bower, and then he collects all the shells, glass, usually shiny things. Around here it's a lot of white stuff. They're like nature's architects, really. They build it all, and it's all to impress the female bowerbird. It's not a nest, they don't use it for a nest, it's just to show off, attract the females, and then for mating, the female then goes off, builds a nest and lays their eggs elsewhere. It's got nothing to do with this, they don't nest, they don't raise their young, nothing like that. It's purely to impress the women. So it's pretty awesome. So we're decorating the bower. This one's used a lot of shells, things from the beach, but it's also got bones. There's a little skull. I'm not sure what animal that's from, but they get obviously all the white things, so little bones it'll pick up, and then broken glass from all the humans that leave rubbish around the place, unfortunately.
Welcome to our extraordinary journey through the stunning landscapes of Australia. We are a travelling family living life on the road and immersing ourselves in the wonders of this incredible country since December 22. I'm Rachel.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Molly. I'm Tom.
And this is Maggie.
Our home is the epitome of adventure and luxury on wheels. It is the ultimate form of freedom, designed to conquer the untamed wilderness and embark on exhilarating adventures. So please come and join us as we dive into vibrant culture, unique encounters with wildlife, and unforgettable experiences that will leave you craving for your own Australian adventure.
Good morning. So we're heading out for a snorkel today. No fishing. We still have some parrot left over from the other day, so we don't need any more fish. Isn't that right, Ryan?
No fishing, no spearing, just going for a big long drive at the Blue Hole.
So there's a nice special spot a few kilometers away that we're heading out to. The wind is down, so it's a perfect day to head out. But yeah, we're really looking forward to it. Looking forward to exploring, see what's in the water, and just seeing if we can find some pretty cool things. So that blue hole was an epic fail. When we got out there, the wind picked up and there was just right on the edge of the reef, so it was not safe for us just to anchor up and go in for a dive. So we've just found another little spot. Ryan and the kids have just jumped in. There's beautiful bits of coral around, so I'm going to get my gear on and jump in too.
So each night when we're on the beach, the kids love to go catching crabs. They call it crab hunting, and every night they froth over it. I usually go with them. I try to catch a few little shovel nose in the shallows. The kids love that, but now they want to learn how to catch the shovel nose sharks in the shallows. So we'll go for a walk, we'll try to catch some crabs, and we'll try and see if we can get onto some shovel nose sharks and get Tom and Molly onto one. So they're both keen as.
Did he pinch you?
Yes.
What are you going to name him?
Name him Little Pinky.
Little Pinky, because he bit your little pinky.
Yeah, no, pink. Bit.
Hey, good work, Tommy.
Is it boy or girl? Move your nippers. I called him Little Girl. I got one.
Got one. Is it a boy or girl, Molly?
I think it's a girl. Yeah, it's a girl.
What are you going to call her?
Greeny.
Greeny.
See one? Is he a big one?
Oh.
Yep, he's a big one. Should we name him Sandy?
Sandy.
Look how sandy and look how
That's a great name. Oh, hey, Daddy.
Shovel nose!
This is what we came to catch.
Oh, he's a man.
So they're shovel nose shark, shovel nose ray. They're actually in the ray family. They're not a shark. They don't really have any typical teeth, so they're not. They can bite you, but they can't do any damage. Like got a sucking, crushing sort of bite to them. So they get crustaceans out of the sand, worms, things like that. But they're beautiful. They get quite large. They get over about 2 meters. So this is obviously a juvenile. Let him go.
You catch it, Tommy. That's awesome. How did you catch it?
With my hands.
Let it go.
Go, dive. You get it?
No.
You touch him? Very good. You're getting better.
How's he going, Dad?
He's going good. He's committing hard. Right here. So go that side, go that side. Right here. Go hard, go hard, go hard.
Go. Oh, there it is.
Very cool. Let him go.
Go hard, come in.
Go close.
Come in. Stop. Go.
There's one right there.
There's one there.
Go.
Yes, Tommy! You got it! Tommy! Well done!
That is awesome!
Give us a smile, Tommy. How good's that? Hold him up.
Yay! Go, Tommy!
How good's that?
Good spotting, Molly. Are you going to let him go?
Yep.
All right.
Hey!
Oh, yeah, Tom!
You can do it.
Let me see your weight belt, Tommy. Turn around. Looking good.
The white belt boy.
So we've anchored up and the boys are in diving. We're not really snorkeling today. The kids want to practice their free diving, so we have weight belts on them. And yeah, they're just practicing going right down to the bottom, checking out some caves, and yeah, just practicing breath holds. Tom is in there at the moment and he's only 4 and he is absolutely incredible. Both kids are. They're awesome in the water. We're so proud of them.
White goes. It goes like.
Was that fun, darling?
It actually really does work with the white belt.
You did awesome. What did you see?
We saw a turtle, only that big, eating out of a little hole. And then I dived and I was about to touch it, but then it swam off. Then a couple of minutes later, we saw it swimming.
That's
and
pretty
we
cool.
saw a potato cod. I mean, a barramundi cod. And we saw a couple of blue-green clammers. We saw cleaner wrasse.
Did you see some slimy mackerel, Tommy? What else did you see?
Cleaner wrasse in a cleaning station. And a barramundi cod and heaps of sea anemones. And also we saw humbugs. And we saw a parrot, and that's it. We saw surf parrot.
Oh, did you?
We saw surf parrot. I saw heaps of parrots.
What a glorious morning. It's like glass out there. Let's see what we can find. Hey, Dad.
Have a great day.
Beautiful day.
Just following this little shark around. Well, he's not that little actually, he's probably about 2.5 meters. And we're just trying to get close enough to see if we can work out what type he is.
My God.
That's a big tiger. How awesome is that? That is sick. Look at the width of it. That is awesome. Look at the trevally underneath it. Look at that. This tiger shark this morning, been following her for quite a while now, and she's placid, she's not skittish, she doesn't seem to be bothered by us at all. We've had experiences with sharks before in the boat, and if they're not happy, they let you know. They either take off, we've had them attack the prop, attack the boat, charge the boat, but we don't feel like we're disturbing her at all. She's so beautiful. She's so placid. She's calm. She's peaceful. She's just cruising along. Beautiful.
Can you believe it? We're going to do this all day.
Kobe. Bye, tiger. Bye, Kobe. Bye, tiger. Bye, Kobe. Bye.
Oh my gosh, she is beautiful.
Now that's why I don't want to be in the water with sharks, especially big ones, because they could swallow me whole.
She'd have me, you, Tom and Dad, I reckon. But she doesn't look like she's aggressive, so. But we definitely fit in her belly. Oh, look at the colours! Oh my god!
Okay.
So we're in about 25 meters of water, and you can see right to the bottom. The water is so clear today, and it's just so flat. It's the most perfect day! Where are we off to now?
A couple of bommies that we spotted a week or two ago, and it should be immaculate. But let's get going. So we're just down the beach and we're just packing up, we're getting ready to go. And there's a couple of fellas just out the front and they've found a crayfish. So they ran in, got the kids out of the water because the family snorkeling session was over. The crayfish took priority, obviously. So they ran in, grabbed the loop, but they're not having a lot of luck and I don't like their chances of getting it. So I'm hanging around because I know exactly where it is now, and hopefully they give up soon and I can go in and have a crack and get some lunch. I think I've got my chance. The missus came down and they've had Jack of them messing around trying to get the crayfish. All the kids are screaming and carrying on the beach. So I think they're heading in. So I'll give them a couple of minutes to get out of the water and then I'm in. Told you I'd get it.
You did good. The boys are in the water and they've found this beautiful octopus hiding in a cave. So Ryan placed the GoPro in front of the cave and the octopus came out and started playing with it. Then he ended up trying to take it into his cave. So Ryan had to take it off him pretty quick smart. But the boys are still checking him out. And then Molly and I are going to hop in once they get on the boat. So incredible. Daddy, check this out.
Another giant baler shell, but this one's got a snail.
There's a snail on it. That is amazing.
Look at the size of that.
Oh, I'm just going to get my good camera out. Listen. Oh, he's gone.
I just shot a big golden trevally and he went under the reef and tore off and I was spew and then I lost him because he was going to die. And then we're just pulling the anchor and I've just seen him flapping around on the surface. So he won't be wasted.
What are the chances, hey? You got him, Dad?
Got him.
We got him.
They won't be wasted. Get a fair bit of ceviche out of that. Rachel just recently got a new mask. A lot of people have trouble with masks with fogging up and you buy the cream and toothpaste is a good one. Johnson's baby shampoo is another good one. But if you prep your mask well when you first get it, it shouldn't fog up too much. So if you just give it a bit of a clean, or when it's brand new you don't have to clean it, the inside of the glass has like a film on it, and if you burn that off, you won't have a fogging issue. You still have to do the spit and clean every time before you use it, but you won't have a fogging issue. You've got to be careful with it and make sure it fits first before you do this, because you won't be able to return it, obviously. So Rachel's used this a couple of times. She's comfortable with it. She's happy with it. So now we'll just burn the film off, and then the fogging issue won't be a problem, and you can snorkel and be comfortable. When you're doing it, start in the middle of the lens and you'll see it burning away. Don't get the flame close to the silicone. Keep it in the middle, and you can just sort of move it closer and closer. You'll see it. You'll see as it goes. And that is it.
Hey guys, it's our last day on the Ningaloo today. We weren't planning on taking the boat out. We were going to pack everything up, but honestly the conditions are just too good. A glorious day again today. We love it here. We're coming back at the end of the year. Pardon?
I just don't want to get the fish.
What is it?
Oh. Then if you don't, you'll tell us?
Oh gosh.
I hope it's not.
Alright, so Ryan is still in diving and he's just popped up to say that he's working on something, but that he's afraid that he's going to get bitten, and also that is pretty cool. I have no idea, he hasn't told us what it is.
But I reckon it's either a sea snake or a tick.
I haven't seen any sea snakes here, so
But we've seen eels.
I'm not sure. We haven't seen eels. Oh, beautiful! Check this out!
Wobbegong.
Little baby wobbegong.
Oh, what a beauty!
Let him go.
I will. I'm not kidding you.
Can I see him again? Can I hold him?
Yeah.
This way.
I was just down looking for crays and I found this beautiful little baby wobbegong. He was just under a rock. They get quite big. They get to about, I don't know, 2.5 meters. He's only a newborn. He's very fat. He's well fed. And they have a very horrible bite. They're like, he's got a good set of teeth on him, and they can actually bite their own tail. So people often grab them by the tip of the tail to get them to move or to get them to swim. And they turn around and they can bite. So they're one of the most flexible sharks, so you've got to be really careful. But he is beautiful. How good's that?
Nice work, Daddy.
Stunning. Yeah, you can touch it on and turn him around so his head's not here. Okay. Look at his little tail. He's like a little puppy dog. Wagging his tail. I'll put him in the water just for a second. We'll let him go now, alright? That's right.
And that is it for our Ningaloo series. Guys, thank you very much for watching. We really hope that you've enjoyed it just as much as we have. It's been epic. We've had the best time. We will be back, so watch this space.
And if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to support us. Like our videos, share them, jump on Instagram, share our stuff on there, follow us on Instagram. We do probably more regular things on Instagram, so it's probably a better way to keep track of where we are, what we're doing. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting us and watching.
On to the next adventure.